We're here today to show you the Orbi 770 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. You'll find some Orbi 770 series highlights listed on the front of the box. On this side of the box, there's a nod to over 25 years of Netgear innovation. On the other side are more highlights, including enhanced backhaul 2 times stronger mesh Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 7 speeds up to 11 gigabits per second, whole home coverage up to 8,000 square feet, and 2.5 gig internet and LAN 8 times multi-gig ports. Now let's see what we have inside the box. First, you'll see the Quick Start Guide. The guide will ask you to download the Orbi app, which you'll use to install and manage your Orbi system. The back of the Quick Start Guide includes a reference for the box contents and an overview of the product features. Next is the accessories box. Carefully remove the box and set it on the other side of the table to open. You'll see a card about the included Netgear Armor 30-day protection. The accessories box also includes an Ethernet cable for connecting your RBE 771 router to your current internet service provider device like a cable modem. You'll also find the power adapters for your router and satellites. Under the accessories box is the router and satellites. Pull up on the silver ribbons to the side and use the other hand to assist when removing the router and satellites. Now, carefully remove them from the packaging and plastic covers and set aside. The router will have a label to easily differentiate from the satellites. Let's look at the router. On the back, you'll see a 2.5 gigabit internet port to connect to your internet service provider's modem. This ensures you get the fastest speed from your internet provider available today and in the future. You will also see 3 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports that will unlock unbeatable speed and reliability for wired connections, including devices like gaming consoles, network storage, printers, and media players. Plenty of ports for wired Ethernet devices. On the back of both satellites are 2 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, which can be used for wired connectivity to other IoT hubs, printers, network storage, and gaming devices. You can follow the step-by-step Orbi 770 series setup process using the Orbi app, available for iOS and Android. This makes installation super easy and helps you manage your home network, check speeds, manage connected devices, and do firmware updates. The Orbi app also provides a security solution, Netgear Armor, powered by Bitdefender, to protect all your connected devices from cybersecurity threats, and smart parental controls to help build smart digital habits for kids. Click the video in the description below to learn how to set up the Orbi 770 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system, or click the link in the top right corner. Your Orbi 770 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system is now ready to be installed. To learn more about the system, visit netgear.com/Orbi770. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.